White flag is up. Medical personnel, please be ready. We have runners in 1,500 meter run. In event number 72. Ladies and gentlemen, we have runners in 1,500 meter run, elementary boys final.
At this point of time, ladies and gentlemen, the Eastern Visayas Regional Athletic Association would like to present to you, friend, the finalists in event number 68, secondary boys final. Ladies and gentlemen, we have athlete number 329, Kano Chirwen Baybay. Athlete number 339, Romo Marjon Baybay. Athlete number 369, Giliera Dayuan Piliran. Athlete number 368, Dumail Janpor Piliran. Athlete number 399, Matiga Berben Purongan. Athlete number 395, Polarga Adren of Porongan. Athlete number 419, Chan Shing Khan of Carbayo. Athlete number 425, Salis Mark Angelo Carbayo. Athlete number 454, Donis J. Grosel Katbalogan. Athlete number 461, Tupasio Chan Ray of Katbalogan. Athlete number 487, Gilardo Ren Kent Nazarin of Eastern Samar. Athlete number 489, Lubat Kian Janloy of Eastern Samar. Athlete number 510, Alandra Rayan Dalton Leyte. Athlete number 515, Encina Nidio Francis Leyte. Athlete number 546, Nias James Carl of Maasin. Athlete number 540, Peloni Terence Joshua of Maasin. At the number 580, Soladario Kent of Northern Samar. At the number 571, Orokuto Krismar of Northern Samar. At the number 607, Landiro John Anthony Ormo. At the number 602, Erika Jericho Ormo. At the number 637, Tabulok Ronald Samar. At the number 639, Tingson Ronaldo Jr. Samar. At the number 659, Ato Liniel Viz of Southern Leyte. At the number 672, Tuyugon Jasper Southern Leyte. At the number 697, Vidalia Kai Jeremiah Tacloban City.
You are watching the 1,500 elementary boys.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the finalists in event number 69, long jump secondary girls.
Athlete number 347, De Los Reyes Jessa, Diliman. Athlete number 374, Abella Jasmine Lorraine. Athlete number 384, Dakwa Fatime. Athlete number 410, Paulino Princess. Athlete number 442, Salentes Jenny or Tacbalogan City. Athlete number 444, Villar Sabrina Hope of Tacbalogan City. Athlete number 471, Eder Divine Grace of Eastern Samar. Athlete number 466, Aquino Shane May of Eastern Samar. Athlete number 493, Abadis Mary Rose Leyte. Athlete number 534, Kirom Jillian Maasin City. Athlete number 560, Digia Mary Grace Northern Samar. Athlete number 585, Carl Jaya May of Ormoc City. Athlete number
First, Leyte.
589,
Second,
Esnando General
Catbalogan. Calbayog.
Ormoc City.
Leyte.
Athlete number 6,
Congratulations to the winners.
Magalior.
Okay, congratulations to the winners. First, Leyte. Second, Ormoc. Third, Leyte Division 1,500 elementary boys. Again, first Leyte, second Ormoc, third Leyte. Congratulations. Yan ay. Ano natin first? Congratulations sa natin first. 1,500 yung win-win. Alright.
Mga igsuon ko, salamat sa iyo. Salamat